Business Growth Award winner is Frontier Pets.
This is a fabulous business that is based in Evans Head with a purpose to end factory farming and a focus on innovation. This business is now recognised as the only company in the world to use 100% ethically sourced ingredients for freeze-dried pet food product. After 5 years in business, turnover has multiplied 100 times. And they've been able to sustain that remarkable growth, as well as keep an eye on managing their future forecast and business plans. Frontier Pets, Evans Head.
Hi there. The Northern Rivers seem to be well represented here this evening. So, go us. It's been a very tough time. I have to say that I had never expected this. Not today, not tomorrow. When I started this business 6 years ago, I planned on having a small business where I could work from home, pick my hours, and go surfing, all those things, and gradually make my way into retirement. Frontier Pets is not a difficult concept. What we do is we allow the conscious consumer to buy pet food that is made using 100% ethically sourced ingredients. 100%. To get animals out of cages. I knew that it was something that was interesting, and of course I put my heart and soul into it. But what I didn't expect was that people really related to this. The whole concept of your pets changing the world really hit a note. Within 6 months of launch, my whole home was full of pet food. My lounge, my dining room, everything was full of pet food. You could not see the television screen, which did not matter to me, but my husband was really pissed off. 12 months later, we bought our own production facility in Evans Head in northern New South Wales. 6 years, pretty much to the day, we now employ 25 people, which is wonderful. In little Evans Head, we employ 25 people. We have literally tens of thousands of customers, and we produce 40 tonnes of food per month. So this has come a long way, so much for my retirement. I picked the wrong time of my life to be doing this. I'm very, very proud to be here. I'm proud of my team. I'm certainly proud of the other people in this whole business awards. It's such a magnificent representation and reward for all of the incredible hard work we do. Thank you very much. This is just so unexpected.
Well done.